Really made.
If you never met a welder like myself, then you should find one. Filling up a gap to fill with wet, but I don't mind much. If you never met a welder like myself, then you should find one. Filling up a gap to fill with wet, but I don't mind much.
I be beating up, wedding band. I be beating up. With either hand, I be beating up. Don't understand, I be beating up. While y'all be playing, I be beating up. Wedding band, I be beating up. With either hand, I be beating up. Don't understand, I be beating up. While y'all be playing, I be.
If you never met a welder like myself, then you should find one. Filling up a gap to fit was wet, but I don't mind much. If I don't make it big, I'm sealing cracks until my time's up. I'm turning down the heat because the fitter made a white one. Running up a beat, I got something you should see. I watch that get it's like magic. I got something up my sleeve. Strictly action, main attraction. I'm the one that came to see. Put the wire in the crease, hit the fire, let her eat. Metal dancing on the bevel now, jamming heavy metal now. Pushing ain't the lesser, how you want it, I got levels now. Shooting down my beat, I can't believe you see it better not. I see they acting jealous now, pocket full of cheddar now.
Beating up,
make a puddle you can stand in. Beat into my hands jam, I'm the wedding band man. I'm
beating up.
Knew that I would be the damn man. Finally got the chance, man. They don't stand a chance.
I be beating up, wedding band. I be beating up. With either hand, I be beating up. Don't understand, I be beating up. While y'all be playing, I be beating up. Wedding band, I be beating up. With either hand, I be beating up. Don't understand, I be beating up. While y'all be playing, I be beating up.
That bag get through.
Legendary. I just wanna be great.
I'm gon' say this once, so it's important that you listen. Cross my barricade without permission, I'ma get you. Well, the 9 chrome, and since it's on, let's be specific. When you see the 4 wrapped around this bitch, it ain't no biscuit. Fuck you mean? I ain't work a trip and want this rigging, bitch go hug a beam. Cause I've been welding inches in the trenches, yet my tongue stay clean. Helper at the tool room, he holler, what the fuck you need? I holler, what the fuck you mean? I'm gon' need a couple things. I've been out your welding, putting this shit together, coupling things. I am out this world, some people tell me I've been up a bean. If welding had a Super Bowl, I have a couple rings. Since I done had it down the road, I learned a couple things. I turned around and they talked about me. I took the backlash, I smell good and I well good. I know they tired of my black ass. Hard hat in the backpack, buy $5 grand on my cash app. My partner wanna know where I'm headed, I point exactly where the cash at. That local pay, you can have that. I tell roads like Mad Max, I whip it up until I'm flagged that. If it shoot bad, that's a bad batch. I be welding my hashtag. I told them fuck them, tell my foreman I got the last laugh. You motherfuckers. 40 days and 40 nights, I feel like hell inside. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who the hell am I? Welling up, I chose this life. It ain't no turning around, headed home, gone too long. My kids don't recognize me. 40 days and 40 nights, I feel like hell inside. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who the hell am I? Welling up, I chose this life. It ain't no turning around, headed home, gone too long. My kids don't recognize me. My kids don't recognize me. 40 days and 40 nights. My kids don't recognize me. Headed home, gone too long. My kids don't recognize me. Well enough, I chose this life. My kids don't recognize me. Well stars. Yeah.
Hey, you been trapping all week, ain't even hit 1,000. Made another 3K just in 50 hours. It hit early in the morning, I've been rich for hours. I've been smelling like the money, scared to hit the shower. I'm surrounded by the money, can't avoid it all. I was 20 years old with a 40 ball. Paper fiending, phone ringing, can't avoid a call. They just rap, pockets flat, can't afford the ball. I could really make a grill with my wrist. I could put you in the mix. Here's a whiz. All I know is pay the rent. Since a jet, I can show you how to whip. Here's a hint, cook it till it's still. I'm knee deep in this shit, I ain't no rookie, bitch, I'm him. Risk it buried like I'm Curry, ain't no looking at the rim. Once I'm purging, it's a flurry, but don't hurry, let it vent. You don't know nothing about that, I'm something like that, I'm cut like that, I'm trim. I jump right back in that field and ran my sack up in Mobile. Catch me slipping, be for real, I got that echo, bitch, go chill. Fuck withdrawals, hop in this car, this ain't no joyride, it's a thrill. You need a season pass, butter